Hello everyone, in today's lesson I want to show you how to draw a door and window with YQArch plugin in AutoCAD 2024 and see how much faster with YQArch plugin. First go to YQArch, go to plain window and door, select draw door. Let's put here the first door, first select first point and second point. I'm going to up and down, left, right to change the direction of the door. Also, you can change the style of the door. Here we have so many styles. Let's select this style for double door. For example, here select the first point and the second point. I'm going to up and down, change the direction. Let's change that. Let's choose another style. For example, also this one. And let's draw some windows. Go to YQArch, plain window and door, and draw, select draw a window. Also you can choose the style of the window. There's so many styles. Let's select this one for example. Select the middle, first point and the second point and put the thickness of the wall. For example, our thickness is 200 mm. Enter and it's done. By moving the cursor to left or right, change the panel of the window. Let's draw another window and with another style. Let's choose this style. Select first point and second point and put the thickness of the wall. Enter. And as you see, it's done. Thanks for watching, guys.